Hi there, my name is Kendrick and welcome to Travel and Live Free. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to do your laundry when you travel, and that video is going to come up right now. When you travel, one of the things that you're going to end up doing, especially if you're traveling for an extended period of time, is having to do your laundry. Now, the easiest way to do your laundry, and in my opinion, is my go-to nowadays, is to make sure that you stay in an Airbnb at least once a week. Because usually when you stay in an Airbnb, you have access to a washer and dryer, and you can easily just wash your clothes that way. Now, if you're not staying in an Airbnb, let's say you're staying in a hostel or a hotel and they don't have laundry access for you, or it's too expensive, then you're gonna have to do your laundry manually. And the best way to do that is to get something called the Scrubba. So this is what a Scrubba bag is, and the Scrubba bag allows you to do your laundry while you are on the go. So basically, you take this bag and you just take your laundry, put your clothes in here, okay? And yeah, now it's in. And the amount of water that you put here, you're just gonna look here on the side of the bag. All right, so on the side of the bag here, okay, you can see there's two lines. There's one here for limited clothes, and if you have more clothes, you're gonna put the water up to here. All right, so you just go to the sink, fill up the water. Once you have enough water, you wanna put some liquid detergent in here, okay, on the top. And then all you have to do is fold it. And afterward you fold it, you're gonna close the bag, okay? Now there is a little hole here where you drain out the air because you don't want to have any air when you are washing it. So after you get the hair out, you push this out and the air comes out. Okay, once it's out, you close this. Okay, there is a rib inside here and you just start scrubbing on the floor or on top of a table. And when you're done, you just take this out. Okay, and you want to take out your clothes like so. Okay, just wring it, and after you wring it, dump out the dirty water, put some fresh one, dump your shirt back into the bag, okay? Dump your shirt back into the bag, fill up with water again. This time you're not gonna take out the air, you're just gonna put clean water in it. Then you wanna close this, shake it for a few minutes, just to, get all the soap out of your clothes, and then wring it again, wring your clothes again, and then hang it, and then that's it. That's how you do your laundry while you're traveling.